So today we're gonna dig into DEEM, and let's start there by checking out the console. So you can see here inside of Intelligence, you go to Solutions, and then we're gonna go to the dashboard. And you'll see here within the dashboard, it's really interesting in our organization here. It's going to show you we have this many PC users. We can see user experience scores. Some people are poor, some people are fair. You can see here a small percentage of our apps have a poor score. So you're able to actually kind of drill into that. And it's actually going to show you some different apps and kind of how they're performing and behaving. So you can see here if we actually drill into the app, it can show here, shows you crashes and crash rates, shows you hangs, what OS it was on, the model, shows you kind of the actual executable that caused the crash, which is pretty neat. And we're going to go back. And here again, then you can see here, you can see incidents device health, which we don't have anything on. You can see here kind of how your trends are regarding your organizational experience score. Yeah, which is pretty neat. You can kind of modify those around. You can see who's got a poor experience, good experience. You can see some mobile UXs, desktop UX. Interestingly enough, we see a really bad user experience. Yesterday, device health over time, that kind of thing. And so this kind of gives you an idea of really what you can kind of do with it. And it's not really just that, but and what's kind of neat too is that you can actually hit this incident button. And you can say Camtasia's a problem. We're just going to call this Camtasia performance issues. And create an incident. Then you can go ahead and you can look at your performance indicators. You can even do stuff around the lines of actually creating workflows around that, which is pretty neat. Here's your audit log. You see how you've created those incidences, and this just kind of gives you a good idea of where we start with DEEM. And when we get back, we'll look at looking at some of the managed apps.